Hello, we are going to find the derivative of the following function. Our first example is y equals negative 6x plus 3. So we have y prime is equal to negative 6 times the derivative of x, which is 1, plus the derivative of 3 is 0. Simplify, our final answer is negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Therefore, the derivative of negative 6x plus 3 is negative 6. We are now in the second example. Y equals x squared plus 5x minus 8. We have y prime is equal to multiply the exponent to the numerical coefficient. So we have 2 times x, then subtract 1 from the exponent, so we have 2 minus 1, plus 5 times the derivative of the identity function. We have the derivative of x is 1, minus the derivative of any constant is 0. Then simplify, we have 2x raised to 2x raised to 2 minus 1 is 2x, plus 5 times 1 is 5. So the derivative of y equals to x squared plus 5x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 5. For our third example, y equals 3x to the fifth plus 6x squared plus 9x. We have y prime is equal to multiply the exponent and the numerical coefficient. So 5 times 3 is 15, and subtract 1 from the exponent, so we have 5 minus 1, plus multiply, we have 2 times 6 is 12x, then 2 minus 1 plus 9 times the derivative of x, which is 1. Y prime is equal to, we have 15 x to the fourth plus we have 12x plus 9. So the derivative of 3x to the fifth plus 6x squared plus 9x is equal to 15x to the fourth plus 12x plus 9. We are now in the fourth example. We have y equals x to the 6, x to negative 6 plus 4x cubed. We have y prime is equal to, we have the negative 6 x raised to negative 6 minus 1 plus we have 3 times 4, we have 12x, then we have 3 minus 1. Y prime is equal to negative 6x, negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7, plus we have 12x, we have 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, the derivative of x to the 6th, x to the negative 6 plus 4x cubed is equal to negative 6x raised to negative 7 plus 12x squared. We are now in our fifth example. We have y is equal to 5x cubed minus 4 over x squared. So we have here a denominator. We can write this fraction without the denominator. So we have y equals 5x cubed minus 4x raised to negative 2. So we transpose x squared into the numerator, writing a negative in the exponent. We can now apply our derivative. So 5 times 3 is 15x raised to 3 minus 1 minus, so that is negative 2 times negative 4 becomes positive 8 x raised to negative 2 minus 1. Then simplify. We have 15x squared plus 8x. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So the derivative of y equals 5x cubed minus 4 over x squared is 15x squared plus 8x raised to negative 3. We are now in our sixth example. We have y equals the product of x squared minus 5 and 3x minus 2. So we have y prime. We have to write the derivative, copy the first factor, which is x squared minus 5, times the derivative of the second factor, which is the derivative of 3x minus 2 is 3x. And we have plus, copy the second factor, which is 3x minus 2, times the derivative of our first factor, which is x squared minus 5. So the derivative of x squared minus 5 is 2x. We will multiply using distributive property of multiplication. So we have x squared times 3x. We have 3x cubed minus 15x plus, we have 2x times 3x is 6x squared minus negative 2 times 2x is 4x. As combined like terms, we have that 3x cubed, then we have plus 6x squared, then we have a negative 15x minus 4x, we have negative 19x. Therefore, the derivative of the product of x squared minus 5 and 3x minus 2 is 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 19x. We are now in the seventh example. We have the quotient of the two function. We have y is equal to 3x squared plus 4 all over 3x minus 2. Okay, so we have y prime is equal to, first you have to copy the denominator. We have 3x minus 2, then multiplied it with the derivative of the numerator. So the derivative of x squared plus 4 is, we have 2x minus, we will copy the numerator, which is x squared plus 4, times the derivative of our denominator. So the derivative of our denominator is 3 all over the square of our denominator. So we have 3x minus 2 squared. Then multiply, we have 6x squared minus 4x. Then we have minus, we have 3x squared. Then we have 3 times 4, and a negative, we have minus 12 all over our denominator can be expressed in factored form. Y prime now is, we will combine like terms. 6x squared minus 3x squared is 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Then I just copy the denominator. So the derivative of y equals to 3x squared plus 4 over 3x minus 2 is 3x squared minus 4x minus 12 all over the square of 3x minus 2.